Hi, my friends. Happy Tuesday. Hope you are all doing well. And I'm just going to make sure that I am live on the other side of my screen here. And we should be good to go. Hope you are all doing well. Happy Tuesday. Yes, I am up and at it. Woo, happy Tuesday, my friends. Today is Tuesday, February 11th. And welcome back to another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jenny. For those of you that are new to my page, welcome. My name is Tammy Savello and I'm with Cards by TLC. I am so excited, my friends, to be back here live with you again. I missed you all so much. Boy, was that a freaking doozy of a cold that I had. It literally took me down for a couple of weeks. But other than a slight cough, I am back and it feels great to be back. And as you come in, say hello to me so I know you are here. It is Valentine's Day week. I love Valentine's Day pretty much as I love Christmas. It was my daddy's favorite holiday. He was such a romantic and he truly made sure that my mom and I always felt so special. So happy Valentine's Day week. Hi, Patty. Welcome in. Well, this week, my friends, Jenny and I are doing a Valentine's Day themed card focusing on the celebration items in our brochure. Now, if you're not familiar with celebration, let me briefly do a quick rundown. This is Stampin' Up's annual promotion, and this promotion happens every January and February where you can earn free products when you shop with your Stampin' Up demonstrator. And we have some level 1 items anywhere with a $60 purchase where you have card kits, designer paper, an embossing folder, embellishments, ribbon, all kinds of good fun. But we do have a couple of items towards the back of the brochure that are a level 2, and that is what I am creating with today. It is with the heart-shaped bundle. Now, this bundle is a little bit of a higher purchase price of $120, but I absolutely love this bundle. It is so cute. It's got the heart-shaped vine embellishment or die and stamp that you coordinate with, and this is what the dies look like when they're cut out. I absolutely love the heart-shaped vine, the individual flowers. This die cuts the stamp of the flowers right there, and then you have your standalone dies, your amazing label. So we are playing with that today. Of course, you are here to see the project. Look how fun and pretty. I absolutely love this. I also am using from the celebration catalog. It is the Bloom Impressions designer paper. Now, this was a sleeper for me at the beginning, and I have grown to love this. It makes great die cuts. It makes a nice soft color, and kind of looking at it all together, it's kind of chaotic, but when you use it in smaller portions, and look how soft this side is. I absolutely have fallen in love with it. This is on low inventory, so if you choose anything out of the celebration catalog, I would highly recommend, if you want this paper, to grab this now, because this is on low inventory, and since the promotion ends at the end of February, I don't think it's going to be back. I don't know, but we just never know. And then paired with this for our sentiments, I have chosen the Hugs for Life. I have chosen the Happy Valentine's Day, the little hearts, and this really cute border. Now, this does come as a bundle or an individual stamp set, but it comes with to the point punch, and you can die cut that out and attach it to your projects. But that is what we are using today. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Hello, Debbie. Thank you. Thank you for watching me. Oh no, I am so sorry. That cough is absolutely horrible. I still have this slight cough, but thankful. I'm praying that I don't have a coughing fit during the live, but you can never guarantee. So I hope you guys all feel better soon. And if anybody's sick out there with this ickiness, I hope you all feel better as well. So let's go ahead. We have our top folding card base in Fresh Freesia. And this is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. We have 2 pieces of basic white that are 4 by 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. And then I have pre-die cut the 2 hearts out of that designer paper. Look how gorgeous that makes. I absolutely have fallen in love with this. I know you definitely have to be patient with the cough. And then I have cut 2 1/2-inch strips, 1 1/2 inch by 5 1/4 for the front panel. And then for the inside panel, we have a 1/2 inch by 4. So let's go ahead, and we are doing some ink blending first and foremost. Let me see if I have a piece of scratch paper around here. Let me just bring in this, because we are going to do some blending first and foremost. It feels so good to be back live with you guys again. I feel like I lost like 2-3 weeks of my life. It feels so good to be creating again. So I'm just gonna come in and just add some ink to the center here to kind of give that background wash look. Like last week, I had a project for you. I was just able to just do a blog post for you, but I had no voice. I had strained my vocal cords from coughing so badly. But I am so thankful because my husband and I are leaving at the end of the month. The last day of February, we are flying to Arizona for his graduation, where he gets to walk the stage. He earned his bachelor's degree last May and is just now getting the opportunity to walk the stage in Arizona at Chase Field, where the Diamondbacks play. So it's going to be a really big deal. So we had to make sure we were all good to go before we go on that trip. Okay, let me go ahead and bring that out of the way. And then I'm just going to glue down our piece right here. This is such a nice, soft Valentine for like maybe a Galentine day that you're doing with your girlfriends to send out to your girlfriends. Maybe a teenage daughter or niece or goddaughter. This would be a nice, soft Valentine's Day. I am feeling better, Kelly. Thank you so much for asking. I just have this slight cough and a little bit of a raspy voice, but other than that, I am finally over that hump. Boy, was it a doozy. Okay, so there is that. And then now I'm going to come in and I'm going to do a tip that my dear friend Patty shared with me. She took those silicone like basting brushes that you use for either barbecuing or in your kitchen, and we gave it a little bit of a haircut, and it allows us to add adhesive to the back of more intricate pieces in a way to where it just adds enough adhesive and not overpowers it. But first and foremost, I'm going to take this. I learned this tip from my dear friend Tracy Travis. You take your snips, snip the end off like that. You break it in half, and we're going to come in and make an interlocking heart. And then now we can flip this over and add some liquid glue. You can use the self-adhesive sheets, but this is a quick and easy way to add some glue to your projects, and it just adds just enough. It just adds these little dots on there to add enough adhesive. Come on, I may have just, there we go. I had other adhesive on there and it kind of got stuck. So let's kind of get this back together here. Come on. The vines want to hook onto each other. There we go. Come on, Tammy. I know it's been a while, but there we go. No, it's been a while. There we go. And I'm just gonna put my hand down there and hold that down for a second and let that adhere. And then that just adheres with interlocking hearts. And then I'm going to come in with my thoughts of you. My thoughts of you are heart-shaped. I know, isn't it a cool tip? I absolutely love tips from my amazing crafting friends. When I see something I like, I'm like, oh, that's a great tip. This is what we are here for. We're here to learn with one another. Probably should have stamped that, but I'm pretty confident that that'll be okay. And then I've got these cute little cluster of hearts, and I am using fresh freesia just to give it that soft little look there. And then we're going to come in on the inside and work on that. And this has my Happy Valentine's Day from the Hugs for Love bundle. Gonna add that like so. And then this comes in with a nice little border, the cute little heart border around that. And that just fits in just perfectly and gives it that cute little frame. And then I have a row of little hearts that I'm going to come in and just stamp that like so. Okay. It is a lot more fun than vacuuming. Although I do have to vacuum this afternoon. I have a lot of catching up to do with some chores around here. I did get caught up on some TV series shows that I've been waiting for it to come back. Of my Sweet Magnolia show that's on Netflix. So I did get caught up on that. Other than that, I kind of feel like I have a lot of catching up to do with content for creativity here. Okay. And then we are going to finish up with these amazing sequins that are part of the celebration as well. Jenny and I really wanted to focus on celebration items since we just got a couple more weeks left of it. And I feel like I have really have some catching up to do. So there we have our beautiful Valentine's Day themed card for a girlfriend or whoever you might want in your life. So there we have it, my friends. That pretty much does it for me today. Be sure to come back at 4 p.m. today on Jenny's page, and that's Stampin' with Jen, in 2 N's in Stampin' and 2 N's in Jen, for her adorable project. She's going to be doing the tree with the hearts in it. So cute. So excited to see her project. But thank you again for joining me for another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jenny. And I will be back on Saturday, my friends, on my YouTube channel at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So I have fallen in love with this. So I'm actually going to create with this even further and bring some spring themed cards with this bundle. So if you're around on Saturday the 15th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Please join me on my YouTube channel at Cards by TLC. But again, thank you all for joining me. It feels good to be back live with you all again. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And I will see you next time for more creative fun. Bye, everyone.